Hello everyone, welcome back to the Spring Boot playlist. This is part 2, where we will understand Spring Boot architecture, Spring Framework basics, and the real-world project structure used in professional applications. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how Spring Boot works internally and how to design scalable and production-ready Java applications. Spring Boot Overview. Spring Boot is a powerful Java framework that simplifies application development by removing unnecessary configuration and boilerplate code. It is built on top of the Spring framework and focuses on developer productivity, fast setup, and easy deployment. Spring Boot provides everything needed to create enterprise-grade applications with minimal effort. Key features of Spring Boot. Spring Boot offers several powerful features that make development faster and easier. First, auto-configuration, which automatically configures components based on the dependencies present in the project. Second, embedded servers like Tomcat and Jetty, so we don't need to deploy applications separately. And third, starter dependencies, which bundle commonly used libraries together to reduce dependency management complexity. Community and ecosystem. Spring Boot has a massive global community and a rich ecosystem. It provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and integrations with databases, cloud platforms, and microservices tools. This strong ecosystem makes Spring Boot a top choice for enterprise applications. Spring Boot architecture. Spring Boot follows a layered architecture, which helps in separating responsibilities within the application. Each layer has a specific role, such as handling requests, business logic, or data access. This design improves readability, maintainability, and scalability of applications. Layered architecture. In a typical Spring Boot application, we have layers like controller, service, and repository. The controller handles HTTP requests, the service layer contains business logic, and the repository interacts with the database. This clear separation makes the application easy to test and maintain. Dependency injection. Spring Boot uses the inversion of control, or IOC principle, implemented through dependency injection. Instead of creating objects manually, Spring manages object creation and injection automatically. This improves code flexibility, reduces tight coupling, and makes unit testing easier. Configuration management. Spring Boot provides flexible configuration management using properties files and profiles. Developers can easily switch configurations for development, testing, and production environments without changing code. Spring Boot project structure. A standard Spring Boot project follows a clean and organized file structure. The src main Java directory contains Java source code. src main resources contains configuration files. And src test Java contains test cases. This structure promotes clean code and professional development practices. Main application class. The main class in a Spring Boot project is annotated with its Spring Boot application. This annotation enables auto-configuration, component scanning, and configuration support. It also acts as the entry point where the Spring application context is initialized. Application properties. Application configuration is usually stored in application.properties or application.yml. These files allow developers to define database connections, server ports, logging levels, and environment-specific settings in one centralized location. Project creation steps. To create a Spring Boot project, visit Spring Initializer. Select project details like Group ID, Artifact ID, and required dependencies. Then download the generated zip file and extract it into your workspace. This process sets up a production-ready project in minutes. Spring Framework basics. The Spring Framework is the foundation of Spring Boot. It promotes best practices like inversion of control, aspect-oriented programming, and clean architecture. Spring also integrates seamlessly with databases and enterprise tools. Inversion of control. Inversion of control means Spring manages the life cycle of objects instead of the developer. Developers focus only on business logic while Spring handles object creation and dependency wiring. Aspect-oriented programming. Aspect-oriented programming separates cross-cutting concerns like logging, security, and transactions from business logic. This improves modularity and keeps code clean and maintainable. Spring Data Access. Spring Boot integrates with JDBC, JPA, and Spring Data to simplify database operations. Developers can perform CRUD operations with minimal code using repositories. Auto-configuration. Spring Boot follows the principle of convention over configuration. It automatically configures beans and components based on dependencies present in the class path. Conditional annotations ensure configurations are applied only when required. Testing in Spring Boot. Spring Boot provides excellent testing support using JUnit and Mock-ETL. Features like test slicing allow loading only specific layers using annotations like at WebMVC test. Mocking dependencies ensures reliable and efficient testing. Security in Spring Boot. Spring Security integrates seamlessly with Spring Boot. Applications can be secured quickly with default settings. Role-based access control can be implemented easily using annotations. Deployment and scalability. Spring Boot applications can be packaged as standalone JAR files with embedded servers. It is ideal for microservices architecture, allowing independent deployment and scaling. Spring Boot is also cloud-ready with support for configuration servers and service discovery. Conclusion. To summarize, Spring Boot simplifies Java development using a clean architecture, auto-configuration, and strong community support. It boosts productivity and helps developers focus on building robust, scalable applications. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into Spring Boot annotations and internal flow. Don't forget to like, subscribe,